chính long chính man là cái là cái long của xương sụp thì lấy vô cái khi thì tham gia vào cái quân thúc cái khi khao lên quân chiến thuật thì anh nuôi chỉ ra bắt bê ya cái chính là cái việc của tập lên cái sam bắt bê cái lá và warna cái xương sụp và cái roi cái pa ya cái phải ba cái này cái xương cái thay nhập của và tôi sẽ nhận thông và cái gì làm bằng quân quốc ya cái gì này thì mình cứ làm bằng cái arjela Ilai kenu kunci naik hidup naik lelah komiti kelet berjurit dari jaga rangkap bagi regional komiti nasam patulong jadi slok bagi beri di besar hati di senong iklik nom senjar senong idis council bagi beri menteri ramba yang asam bagi gelar ilai kenu yang menteri ke kampoin dari India agak argo tuik argo a New Delhi agak IT yang kaitan ya kepada sabisar dunia na atnat koye di dari India.
श्रीमान, आज का गणतंत्र दिवस परेड को विसर्जन के लिए अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान श्रीमान
Congratulations, yang dikentin berkorong untuk perisnya di ma'amin semini.
Solar hybrid dehydrator, which is also displayed in the tableau, was introduced, demonstrated, and was found to meet the modern requirement of safe, hygienic, and clean food. The dehydrator consists of rigidly fabricated structure with stainless steel or food-grade covered with polycarbonate sheet to withstand solar heat and transfer the heat to the food products, kept the drying inside the drying chamber. The turmeric dried through solar hybrid dehydrator are free from contamination due to dust, insects, domestic animals, or pets and others. Farmers were able to dry their produce in 4-5 days and throughout the year. Ladies and gentlemen, it is all given a huge round of applause.
With a white sleeve shirt called Jema Kerong Time and white top, and red colorful waistband called Tempan. Portrait number 5 and 6 represents the Piate damsel and young men in their traditional attire. The Piate damsel is dressed with a hairband called Ritai Lukim with a necklace called Sumritai, wrapping herself from waist down.
Next, approaching the dais is a tableau presented by the Office of the District Child Protection Officer. District between good touch and bad touch without hesitation. Family is the main responsibility for the safety of the child. And other needs. Assist in applying victim compensation scheme. Thank you very much. The Office of the District Child Protection Officer, District Child Protection Unit, West Jackson Hills District.
Knapsack, sprayers, brush cutter, etc. The adoption of farm mechanization by the farmers has led to... We have another tableau presented by the Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, West Jackson Hills District, Jowai. The theme is post-stocking management and other activities. In recent years, although a lot has been spent in the fishery sector so that fish can grow well and harvest will be done once in a year. If proper monitoring of water quality and regular feeding is done, the fish production is expected to produce more. Thank you to the Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, West Bengal District.
Next tableau approaching us is presented by the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Editorial Division.
Knowledge can be transferred virtually using multiple media. Moreover, students usually access learning matters online, such as recorded lectures, presentations, reading lists, activities. Achievement was required to compensate for the students' loss due to lockdown because of the coronavirus pandemic. For that matter, even the teachers were initially in a predicament because
District. Promote local industries by giving them hand-holding support and consume local products whenever possible. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, for all the 11 presentation of the tableaus by the various
So